Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have here a Hunter original ceiling fan in white, dated 1995. This fan is 4 or 5 bladed adaptable. I got the 5 blades on it. Little nicks around the edges. These blades are non-reversible. Came with this original Hunter light kit. I think the light is from 2001 according to the date sticker on the light. I don't have the proper mounting for it, so for right now it's on a J-hook. I just ordered a Hunter original mounting bracket, so that'll be here soon. Biggest fan is from Fanimation, along with another Hunter original and textured black. This fan is currently in my room. Not a big fan of the light kit. I'm gonna replace it, but I just put the light kit on here so I can do it for demonstration purposes. But yeah, let's turn the light on. Yeah, I'm saying, not a big fan of the light. I don't like how the light looks on here. But it's all I have in my room at the moment, so I'm going to have to deal with. Going to start with low. This is my first ever Hunter original ceiling fan. I've always wanted one. My childhood Hunter original fan would be a brown one, as many other childhood fans would be for me. But the fan I'm really excited to get was a black Hunter original, because I always loved the look of the black Hunter originals with the light oak blades, similar to that design house right there. Nice aesthetic slow speed. This is one with the low, the slow low, the fast medium, and the fast high. You can definitely still feel a nice breeze from it. Medium. This is where the wobble starts getting in. And it only looks like it's hanging low due to the fact that it's on a J-hook. When it's on a standard U-bolt mounting bracket like normal Hunter originals are, it'll hang up a little bit. I was like, I am 6'7", so this is kind of close for me. But it's not hitting my head yet, so we're good. But medium speed is definitely a nice, you feel a nice breeze from it. Now high. I would put the black one in here, but I'm saving that for my kitchen. And this fan, of course, hauls. I've seen one Hunter original in person, and I turned it at high speed. I ran through all the speeds before, and the fan flies, and this one is just the same. Because here in Illinois we're experiencing some record-setting temperatures, so I decided to replace the design house with this Hunter. I'm glad I did so. I did clean this fan up too, clean the oil cup and everything before hanging it. Oh. All right. Depends on if I feel like I might remake this video with a different light kit, because this light kit is not staying at all. But yeah, like I say, I don't have enough storage on my phone maybe, so this video does cut out before this fan starts spinning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.